In this video, we will see how to fix error unfortunately Google Play has stopped. For this, go to settings. Now in settings, search for app management. Go to app management. Now in app management, go to app list. Now in app list, search for Google Play services. Now after searching this, go to Google Play services. Now in Google Play services, go to storage usage. Now in storage usage, you need to clear your cache. After clearing cache, clear data. Now click on clear all data to clear all data of Google Play services. Now go back. Now in app list, search for Google Play Store. Now go to Google Play Store. Now in Google Play Store, go to storage usage. Now in storage usage, clear your cache, and after that clear your data. Now after doing this, come back and go to Google Play Store. Now in Google Play Store, go to the profile icon on the right hand top of your mobile phone. Now in this, go to settings. Now in settings, go to about section. Now in about section, you need to update your Play Store. Now update your Play Store if required. After updating, restart your mobile phone and your error will get resolved. Thanks for watching the video.